Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to solve guys Wi-Fi problem guys. Your Wi-Fi is not working good in your phone guys. So you can solve your Wi-Fi problem in Oppo K10 phone. Unless you want to reset your Wi-Fi setting, so you can reset. In this video guys, I will show you. So let's see without wasting time. So first of all open your phone setting. Then guys scroll it and guys come on system setting. System setting guys you can see in your phone. Click here and guys come in last reset option guys click on reset phone and guys you can see Wi-Fi reset setting guys click and guys you have password, so withdraw your pattern and guys reset this setting, so your Wi-Fi setting will reset. Then guys you can use your Wi-Fi without any problem. So I hope friends you have understood how to reset Wi-Fi setting in Oppo K10 phone. And guys if you do it will not work, so guys you guys take a screenshot of your phone model and guys send me in comment section guys, I will tell you. That's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.